This video is for MIL subjects or Information Literacy. I'm really Milagrimas, and this video is all about how to be a responsible media user. To be responsible in using social media, we must remember to be careful about what we post and how we engage with others. Avoid spreading hate speech or fake news, and balance the time you spend on social media so it doesn't affect our others' activities. Being a responsible media user is crucial into this digital age. And here are some tips to be a responsible media user. Being a responsible media user. First, take control of your image, personal information, and how it is utilized. Second, request permission before sharing videos or photographs of anyone on your social media platforms. Third, being a responsible media user, we need your account should be clean. And number 4, think before you post. Before sharing anything online, take a moment to consider the potential consequences. 5. Protecting their privacy. Using a strong password and privacy setting and only sharing personal information with trusted people. 6. Being respectful. Treating others with kindness and respect and avoiding cyberbullying, harassment, and hate speech. 7. Spread love, not hate. Being nice on social media will open great doors for you and bring your referrals from places and people you least expect. 8. Verify information. As a media user, before sharing or reacting to content, we need to verify its accuracy and credibility. Misinformation and fake news can spread rapidly on social media, so fact-checking is essential to prevent the dissemination of false information. 9. Protect your mental health. Social media can contribute sometimes to stress and anxiety. Being mindful of your social media usage and take breaks when needed, and follow or mute accounts that negatively impact your mental well-being and accurate a positive online experience. Number 10. Practice digital etiquette. As a media user, we need to follow etiquette guidelines while interacting with others on social media. Use proper language, avoid excessive self-promotion, and engage in constructive conversation. Be mindful of the tone and impact of your comments. 11. Engage critically. Develop critical thinking skill to analyze content and understand different perspectives. Challenge biases and engage in respectful and open-minded discussions. Seek reliable sources of information and diverse viewpoints. 12. Limit screen time. As a media user, we need to set boundaries for your social media usage and prioritize offline activities, relationships, and self-care. Excessive screen time can negatively impact your well-being and productivity. 13. Stay informed about platform policies. Keep yourself updated on the terms of service and community guidelines of the social media platforms you use. Understand what is allowed and what is not, and report any violation you come across. And the last is avoid misinformation. Don't spread fake news or unverified content. Be aware of how information is spread on social media and take care not to contribute to it. So, being a responsible media user involves several key practices to ensure you're engaging with media in a thoughtful, ethical, and informed way.